NARS has been that girl, always that girl. Like, I'm riding with NARS. Good morning. So I just got the shower. I did my skincare. My face is all seasoned, ready for makeup. And today I am going to share with y'all how I do my quick makeup routine, which is a simple routine, aka like my spring less makeup routine. I don't know about y'all, but the warmer it gets, the more or the less makeup I want to wear. So today I'm going to show y'all my quick routine. My main thing when it comes to like a simple makeup routine, I want to glow. Like, I am the person, I'm not too much of a matte makeup person. Like, I like to have like a glowy look on my face, whether that involves like a little shimmer, a little bronzer, whatever the case may be. I love a little shimmer look, but my makeup routine is simple and I want to share that with you guys. And let me show y'all what I start off with. So my go-to, I'm not a huge foundation girl. Like, I wear foundation, but it's not like my go-to everyday grab. My everyday is the NARS Tinted Moisturizer. NARS has been that girl, always that girl. Like, I'm riding with NARS forever. Like, I've been using this tinted moisturizer for years now. So my color is Santiago Medium Deep 1, and I went back and forth about the NARS rep at the Macy's counter in New York. I remember going back and forth with this lady like, no girl, that is not my color. She was like, ma'am, that's your color. I was trying to tell her it was too light, but it works. And sometimes I have to alternate. During the summertime when I'm a little darker, I do go like a shade darker, but for right now, Santiago Medium Deep is my go-to. And let me show y'all what it looks like. I'm gonna put it on my sponge, and I use a beauty blender just to blend all this in. But that's, ooh, can you see that? That's pretty much the color of Santiago Medium Deep 1. So let's see here. So that's what it looks like. And then if I'm really in a hurry, I don't always use the beauty blender. Sometimes I just put it in my hand like lotion and just rub it all over my face. And it does like a light to medium coverage because it's not a foundation. It's not supposed to cover every little thing, but this does a really, really good job. And it's very, very hydrating. And one other thing that I like about this is that it has SPF in it. So SPF 30, so your girl is being protected from the sun. And it makes a big difference actually. So that is my base of my everyday look, is just the NARS Tinted Moisturizer. So I have some spots here from where I broke out from the laser. Laser is your friend, guys, I promise. Laser is your friend. It just depends on where I am in my cycle. Sometimes my body has a reaction to the laser. So last week I had a little breakout from the laser here, but it's clearing up now and we're all good. But don't be afraid if you're ever considering laser. Don't be afraid. But like I said, she's not a full coverage girl, the NARS, light to medium. So this is what we got so far on that. And remember I said that I like to go in with a little glow. So lately, actually let me tell you what I usually use. Usually for glow, I'm using the Rare Beauty. Rare Beauty, this is the only thing that I've tried from Rare Beauty, and I love, 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 love the color. Let me see. This is what she looks like. So this is like a highlighter illuminator from Rare Beauty, and I like it. I'm not mad at it, but lately, let me tell you what I've been using. The only thing about this is a little goes a long way, so you can't put a lot on when it comes to the Rare Beauty highlighter. Even me wiping it off, you see it still leaves a little shimmer. But lately, that girl for me has been the Giorgio Armani Fluid Sheer. Let me show y'all. And I like it because she's exactly what she said she is. She is sheer. Whereas the Rare Beauty is a little bit thicker, which I still love. You just use a little bit. But the sheer, it goes on so smooth. I'm making a mental note to clean my makeup brushes as I apply this. All right, so we have our glow. All right. So I don't do too much on the brows. Actually, my brows need to be threaded. I don't do too much on the brows other than to brush them up. Brush them up. When I want to hold them in place, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. All right, so this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Gel, and that's just what I use if I want to hold my brows in place. I keep trying to like push my hair, like my hair is just doing whatever it wants to do today. So when you see me like trying to mess with my hair, that's what I'm doing. It's just all over the place. But yeah, so I feel like I always have to wear eyeshadow. I don't know why. I don't know. Probably because sometimes I feel like I have the space for it, so I just feel like something needs to go there. But the Dior palette, I have two favorite neutral palettes, the Dior palette and then my Tarte palette, which may or may not, my Tarte palette. So this palette is called Toasted because it has all the fun, warm neutrals in there, and then the Dior palette as well. So my go-to has been the Dior palette. So you know when people like ask what are the 3 makeup things that you absolutely have to have or can't go without, mine would be mascara, blush, and lip gloss. Like those are my 3 things. I wouldn't, or would it be tinted moisturizer, mascara, and lip gloss? That might be it. Tinted moisturizer, mascara, and lip gloss, I think. But I feel like I need something on my cheeks or on my eyes, so it might be tinted moisturizer, blush, and lip gloss, or no mascara. I don't know. That's a hard thing to choose. So, but if it was 4, it would definitely be tinted moisturizer, mascara, blush, and lip gloss. So moving on to the Dior palette. Obviously, this color right here is the most used. I put this on I need to learn proper terms if I'm gonna show y'all how to do the makeup. But right here is where I put this neutral color, and then here is I put it like right below my brow bone. So this goes right here. I woke up this morning with intentions of getting things done, which I am, aka this YouTube video, and also I need to go to the post office because they have completely lost my mail. As y'all know, I moved into a new place and I have not gotten mail since I moved here, and it's been 3 weeks now and I've received no mail. Mind you that I put in a notification to have my mail forwarded on March 4th. It is April 3rd and I still have no mail. And I can see where I have packages, 4 packages that I was tracking, and all of them have a notification that says this package has been forwarded, and after that nothing else has happened. It doesn't show where it was forwarded to, which post office forwarded it, like where is it, like where's my mail. And every time I call, they're like, yeah, your mail is being forwarded, and I'm just like, forwarded where, ma'am? Like, where is it being forwarded to? So I'm going to go not yell at somebody because I don't really have a yelling bone in my body, but I have to get to the bottom of this. So this color in the Dior palette is called, oh, it's just called Matte Ochre? Matte Ochre. I think it's called Ochre. And that's what that looks like. And the color that goes right here is called Shimmer Beige, which it doesn't really have a lot of shimmer in it, so. Also, I'm kind of disappointed in the lighting in my bathroom. I love my bathroom, but I'm a little upset that I can't change the light bulbs. In my old bathroom, I was able to put my Philips Hue light bulbs up, and I'm able to like play with the lighting and change it to warm light, cool light. This bathroom has a different type of light bulb that I've never seen before. They don't screw in, you just pull it out or pull it, stick it in, and I can't really change it, so that's a bummer. So yeah, we are done with the eyes, and then the next mascara. So the mascara that I've been using lately has been this Giorgio Armani. It has been my replacement. So I was using the Clinique extra high impact extra volume mascara, but for some reason that is the hardest mascara to find. Like I used to buy it out of Macy's and can't find it in Macy's. Every time I go, they were like, oh, we don't have this one, or Sephora, they'll have like a different one. So I've been using the Giorgio Armani mascara lately, and it's been getting the job done. Today is definitely going to be a hat day because my hair is just doing whatever it wants to do. But also Alexa told me that it was windy this morning, so I had to make sure she didn't say anything yet. But yeah, we're going with a hat today. So I'm back with the Fluid Sheer, but I'm going in with a different sheer, which I'm just gonna put a little bit on my cheekbones to do a little brightening. I'm a blush girl, and Valentino blush has been this is the does it say Eye to Cheek Blush and Shadow? So Valentino just solved my problem. So my 3 makeup combo would be tinted moisturizer, mascara. Oh no, it didn't, because this is blush and eyeshadow combo. Okay, whatever, I'm over it. So this is the Valentino palette, Eye to Cheek. I like it so far. This is shade 6. So far I've been using this and I'm not mad at it. It goes well for my skin tone. I feel like I'm a blush girl because I used to like watch my grandma do makeup, and she always did blush and her cheeks was always like rosy. So all right, so I was never a lip liner girl, but I've turned into a lip liner girl. And I've been using the Sephora collection, the Rouge Gel Lip Liner. This one's called Knock on Wood, and I like it because it's brown, but it's not too brown. It's not like overpowering brown. It's the perfect shade of brown. See? And the lip glosses I've been using lately, I'm a gloss girl. Rarely ever do I wear lipstick unless it's like a red lipstick or something like bright that I need for the summer. But Summer Fridays, the Lip Butter Balm has been my go-to, or the Summer Fridays Dream Lip Oil. I have been killing this Dream Lip Oil. You can see it's almost empty. I like it because it's also like a lip plumper. So when you put it on, your lips tingle a little bit. And it looks dark from the bottle. It looks dark, but when you put it on, I'm scraping the bottle here. When you put it on, and that is it. That is my simple makeup routine. I like this routine because it's like an everyday thing. It takes me about maybe 6-7 minutes to do it, maybe less than that, I'm not sure, but I like it. It's my everyday makeup routine. It's the routine that I go to when I'm not trying to do too much. It's the routine like through the summer if I don't want to wear a lot of makeup, because it just works. I've been doing this makeup routine for years. Tinted moisturizer, years, blush, lipstick, eyeshadow, mascara, boom, done, out the door. That simple. Everything is linked below. If you have any questions, let me know. But thank y'all for hanging around. This is my simple makeup routine. Let me know if you want to see more. If you want to see like a full long, like when I'm getting ready to go out makeup routine, which I'll probably do that anyway. But let me know if you want to see more. I am not a makeup connoisseur. Like, I'm still learning about makeup. What I know is things that I've gathered just over the years and things that work for me, which may or may not be correct, the correct way to put it on. I'm still navigating makeup. So right now, this is what I know. This is what works for me. And if you have any extra tips, tricks, let me know in the comments. But yeah, this is my makeup routine. Thank you for hanging around, and I will see y'all in my next video.